Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Yolanda Hayes. I am a local real estate agent in the Winston-Salem, North Carolina area, serving all of the Triad area in Charlotte as well. So I wanted to jump into this video today. We're going into 2025 next week and I am super excited for 2025. 2024 has been a rough year for me just in my personal life, with my family. A lot of things have happened. For those that know me personally, kind of know what's been going on, but I am so excited about 2025. Everything that's happened in the past is in the past, and I am just delighted to be bringing this video to you guys. So today's topic is going to be about why 90% of my customers, my buyer customers, are going with new construction. So I want to share that with you guys. I have about four good reasons as to why 90% of my home buyers, my clients, go with new construction. So if that is something that you're interested in, make sure you keep on watching. Now, there are different levels to new construction. I am definitely going to leave a video above about the different levels that I have. So I have a past video that you must go watch so you understand the different levels. You have different levels as far as, custom blueprint, where you are actually building your house from scratch. You also have options to go with a builder that already has floor plans in place. And of course, based on your budget, there are different levels of home builders that build either high-end or building more affordable homes. So this is the reason why several of my customers go with new construction. Number one, not all, but most sellers are not offering any sort of buyer incentive to help you out, just as a buyer. Just saying, come and look at my home, and here is an incentive if you move forward. So I do have some notes here if I'm looking down. 9 times out of 10, they have not taken care of their home. Okay, I see a lot of homes every day on a day-to-day basis. I'm looking at these homes and I see that a lot of sellers do not take care of their home. And if you are familiar with my channel, in North Carolina, I preach about this all the time. North Carolina is a state that basically it doesn't require the seller to make repairs. And that's something that I don't like, but there's nothing I can change about that. But it is my responsibility to make sure that all of my clients know upfront that sellers do not have to make repairs here in the state of North Carolina. Homes are sold as is in their current condition. So if something is wrong with the home, let's say something with a major system like the HVAC system, the hot water heater, plumbing, the roof, anything to that nature, you are responsible for that. Those issues go with the house. So if the seller is offering some sort of incentive towards those repairs up front, that's something that would be beneficial to a buyer that may be interested in their home, versus you going into the home with several problems that you have to deal with when you first move in. With new construction, everything is brand new. So you don't have to worry about anything breaking down when you first move in. Also, it comes with a home warranty. So even if something did happen, you still have protection and you're buying with peace of mind, because you do get a year warranty on everything in the home. And then even the structural warranty is typically 10 years worth of warranty. So that is something that you want to think about when you're deciding if you want to go with new construction or purchase a resale home. So the second reason that a lot of my home buyers go with new construction is because of the builder incentives. A lot of the builders right now, especially the more affordable home builders, they are offering an incentive, like a move-in incentive, that if you move in by a certain date, or you move in within a certain month or something to that nature, every single month they run a different special, and a lot of times they are offering cash incentives, meaning they will give you up to $15,000, up to $10,000. Each builder has their own program. So in most cases, it's up to $15 towards your closing costs. So that is putting money in your pockets. That is helping you save on your closing costs. So if your closing costs, for example, let's just say your closing cost is $20,000, that's going to be your total closing cost, but they're giving you $15,000. Well, you only have to come up with $5,000. So that's definitely something that you want to look into. If you have the money and you really want a home that is a resale home and the seller is not willing to pay towards your closing costs, now you can ask. As a part of the contract, you are able to ask a home seller who already owns the home to pay towards your closing costs, but they don't have to. They're not offering it up front and they have no obligation to say yes. But as far as the builder, they're offering it up front. They're letting you know, hey, you purchase with us, we will go ahead and pay towards your closing costs. And that is something that is definitely an impression to give to someone who may not have that upfront money. So let's move on to number 3. The third reason that a lot of my buyers go with new construction is because they have the option to design and build and hand select the interior and exterior of their home to their own personal style. So that is something else that you want to think about. If you go with new construction, whether you go with the new construction where you actually are getting a custom built home, you get to, pick out where your doors go, pick out where the bedrooms go. That's actually the blueprint style. But also, even with the more affordable homes, they have several floor plans for you to pick from, but then you get to pick the interior cabinets, the flooring, the countertops to your own personal style versus having to go with a home that you may have to remodel, which is going to be more costly for you to get it to exactly what you want it to be. So that is just something, they're not a DIY person. Everybody do not want to go into a home having to do repairs and updates. Some people want to just go into the home and it's already turnkey ready. You're ready to move in and start living. So if that's you, new construction may be for you. So number 4. The fourth thing that I feel like a lot of home buyers go with new construction for is because most builders are using energy efficient appliances and systems. So if you are looking at your HVAC system or the hot water heater, or even the stove and the dishwasher, energy efficient is going to keep your utility bills lower. So that is why most of these builders are installing energy efficient appliances, and you want to keep that in mind. You also want to keep in mind about windows. That's also a part of the energy efficient because they're making sure that the weather, as far as the cold, the winter months, and even the heat when it's during the summer, is staying in. Those windows are making sure those are brand new windows and energy efficient windows. So you definitely want to keep that in mind as well when you choose or making a decision whether to go with new construction or go ahead and go with a resale home. That is all, guys. That is all that I have for you today. I just wanted to make sure that I share those things with you because we are coming into 2025, and I know I have been meeting with several home builders. I actually plan to meet with one of them with True Homes here in the next couple of weeks. Make sure you watch and make sure you stay subscribed to my channel because I will be doing an interview soon with a True Home rep. We're gonna do a Q&A. If you have any questions that you would like to ask her in advance, make sure you go ahead and leave them down below. She definitely wanted to make sure that I got that in. If there are any questions up front that she can answer. So in a couple of weeks, I will be doing an interview with a True Home representative that's going to do a Q&A with me. But if you want to schedule a one-on-one appointment to do a tour with me of any of the new construction neighborhoods in the Winston-Salem area or Triad, Greensboro, High Point, any of those areas, please make sure you go ahead and reach out to me. I also represent Charlotte area as well. So I'm going to leave all of my information down below if you want to schedule an appointment. But I also have a Facebook group where all of the new buyers are in support of each other. So if you're interested in being a part of the Facebook group, I also have the link down below. So you can definitely cheer on other home buyers that are on this same journey. You can also ask questions, anything to that nature, but you must be in the service area for me, or at least in North Carolina for me to assist, because all of my videos here and the information that I'm giving here on YouTube is for my area that I service, okay? So I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.